Hey guys, gals, here's an 88 Mustang GT 5.0 convertible. It's got the original factory motor with air conditioning, obviously, upgraded aluminum radiator, beautiful clean Carfax report, no accidents, service records documented as well, original beautiful exterior, really nice, really clean, loaded, power everything, as you can see here, 5-speed manual, 45,750 miles, upgraded radio with the setup on the Pioneer setup here, clean glass, rubber moldings, trim, wheels, factory wheels. Here's the boot for the convertible top. All the stickers showing original panels are all where they're supposed to be, guys. Just a beautiful, beautiful, fun summer driving car, guys. You got the reclined seats here. Power option, as you can see, for the trunk release. Yes, I did say 5-speed manual transmission. Clear door, clean, not clear, clean door panels. I think I'm going too fast, or I had a lot of cup of coffee. Did I say power windows? If I didn't, yes, it does have it. And like I said, beautiful paint throughout the entire Mustang. Just gorgeous. Look at this thing. It speaks for itself, okay? Delivery is available, guys. You can call me or text me. I prefer text, 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote right to your doorstep, guys. Not a problem. We're licensed, insured, and bonded. Lights on because of the fuel, low fuel, but I'll get that going too, okay? Financing available, credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. Long-term low payments are available. Check us out, mgmclassiccars.com. My name's Thomas, and thanks for watching. Once again, my phone number is 847-848-1850. Talk soon.